What's up, guys? Here back with another unboxing. Let's see what we got today. So again, this is actually a new part, but not from the manufacturer. I bought it secondhand. Yeah, saw it, decided to buy it. So I kind of needed this. For the new intake manifold. Let's see, we got that right there. We got these right there. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. Guess this is something there. But see what we got in here. This is the Xcessive oil neck. So when you go to the new Xcessive lower intake manifold, the stock OEM oil neck gets in the way of the OEM oil neck. So this is supposed to fit the oil cap still and everything. It comes with the O-ring and a barb fitting and a plug for your oil catch can or whatever you have hooked up to it. But yeah, this is a powder coated black. Normally it's just a raw cast, but this one is powder coated black, so that's nice. And this one is supposed to move the oil neck out of the way so that it now fits with the lower intake manifold. Yeah, this one's pretty standard. The casting on this one looks really good. No issues with this one. Like I said, this one is pretty straightforward. It looks pretty sweet too. But I think this one might be longer. Oops, so the camera died. So as I was saying, I think this one is just longer from here to there, and I think it maybe might shift it to the side a little bit. But yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. It looks pretty nice. Nice little powder coat. I don't know what this little thing here is, but yeah, it looks sweet. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's installed and how the OEM one looked compared to what this one will be doing and moving its location. Alright guys, as you can see, here is the Xcessive lower intake manifold installed. So since the runners are equal, it pushes everything forward, and as you can see right here, the intake is pretty much touching the throttle body, sorry, not intake, throttle body is touching the OEM filler neck. They say that you can modify it, but I just went and got the Xcessive oil neck. As you can see, the only thing different that I noticed from the other manifold is that this right here was shorter on my other one, so I actually needed a longer bolt for this bolt right here. But other than that, everything got pushed forward, so my fuel lines and stuff are a little bit tighter now. But yeah, we're gonna swap out that oil neck and see how it fits afterwards. So guys, I just realized something. So it comes with a 1/8 inch MPT to I think a 1/4 inch barb, as you can see right there. The problem with that is that I have my catch can that I'm running right now is a 3/8 barb, and I couldn't find a 3/8 to an 1/8 inch. So what I think I'm planning to do is I'm gonna drill this out I'm gonna drill this out and tap it so that it's a 1/4 inch NTP to 3/8 inch barb. So that way I don't have to change any of my hoses or anything to my catch can. And if I ever do AN lines or whatever, I'm sure that will be better. Because I don't think a 1/4 inch is big enough to vent well enough. I'm not too sure. But just to make it simpler on me, I'm just going to drill it and tap it. I have the drill here. I think this is, let me see, 7/16 and then a 1/4 inch NTP tap. So, and it should work pretty fine. I just drill them out, tap them, and then put this in. I could have, because I got this from Home Depot, and I could have made like a big adaptions, but it would have been like this far out of adapters just to have it use the 1/8 inch NTP. And I don't know, I think the bigger fitting will be better for flowing and venting the crankcase pressure and stuff. So I think that's gonna be the plan, and I could easily get 1/4 inch NTP plugs and stuff as you could with 1/8 inch. So I just don't see any downside with it. So yeah, probably gonna do that now, and I'll update you guys with how it comes out. Alright guys, so it is all installed now. Here it is. It is not touching no more. I honestly thought it was going to be more of a clearance, but I don't know how much of a difference it made. I mean, I got a lot more room over here because the cap used to touch here. I got some room there. I don't know if it's how I tightened it down, because there is some movement where you could like adjust it a little bit, like goes forward back. So I'm not sure how I tightened it down or not, but I thought there was going to be a lot more clearance. It's still, I mean, it's not hitting or anything, it's just close. But I mean, regardless, this is still better than the plastic OEM one. This is actually aluminum, so gets more rigidity. But I thought there was going to be a lot more room. It's not hitting, but you know, can't complain too much, I guess. But yeah, that's it. Lower intake manifold installed and the oil neck installed. I don't have a turbo on there because I'm waiting on a turbo cast manifold. I don't know if I should give you guys a quick update on the car or do that as a separate video. But as of right now, I changed the whole turbo setup. I'm gonna have get vibrant clamps. I'll give you guys a quick little update. I'm gonna get vibrant clamps instead of the couplers. So those are gonna get welded. New cast long runner twin gate from Turbulone manifold. I've been waiting for it for like a month and a half now. So hopefully that comes in soon. Once that comes in, I could put in my new BorgWarner SXE 366 on and get the downpipe fabricated, as well as the this hot side intercooler pipe, which is going to be vibrant as well. I actually upgraded my harness, and now I'm running a Haltech Elite 1500. So I have the upgraded harness that is custom. I'm still waiting for a couple things. As you can see, I have the boost controller just sitting there waiting to get plumbed up. OBD2, not OBD2, sorry, my O2 sensor, the wideband controller waiting to get plugged up. Once the manifold comes, I'm really waiting on the manifold. Once the manifold comes, I could get everything fabricated and the car should be back running. As you can see, something right here installed. Got water meth installed. I'll show you guys something else. So I am running the Haltech Elite 1500s down there somewhere, and also let me get some light for you guys. I freaking love this thing. Running the IC7 dash. Oh yeah. So I got the IC7 dash mounted on the column for now. I may make my my own like dash mount or something, but for now I just have it mounted there. It's freaking awesome. I love it. I have the meth tank mounted right over there, and yeah, so just waiting on the I'm just waiting on the turbo manifold, and once that comes in, I should be able to button everything up. Once that comes in, I probably may do a video, I'm not sure, but I'll update you guys more once that comes in, and gives you a little bit more update on the setup and everything. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you.